Now, before you heard the sound, now. Okay, one fundamental thing which is realized is the barrier in my inner progress is language. Yes. We are so taught to think and speak, and even our conversation with ourselves, and therefore self inquiry is happening in language. How do I let go of language? How do I do self inquiry without language? Good, very good. Because you spotted the trouble in language. You see? Spotted the trouble. Because the mind uses language, uses words, you see, to limit you. So the question then is, then how do I let go? And this is where I have the good news. You don't have to. Already it's gone. No? Like, hold on to language. Hold on to language while I click. You can't do it. It's gone. So let the mind struggle. The mind has been given this job in consciousness as an aspect of consciousness to sort of limit you. So that is the one that is actually struggling. Being is just fresh, you see. Being is always just fresh. But what happens is that we got conditioned, or being is playing in that way, that being got used to turning around and saying, okay, what do you have for me, Mr. Mind? Sorry, that may not be audible. Turning around and saying, what do you have for me, Mr. Mind? You see? So you can try this actually. You see? Just be fresh. I don't want anyone contemplating, inquiring, nothing. Just be fresh right now. Be with me. Come. Come with me. You see? Just stay with me. Fresh, fresh, fresh. You see? Yeah. Don't go anywhere. Stay. Come, fresh. You see? And I can see in your eyes. I can see in your eyes. So just stay fresh with me, and you'll see that in your freshness, you see, it's full, empty, and light. You're not troubled, you're not oppressed by any language, nothing. When you look back and say, what you saying? Then, yeah, you see, because being is so alive and fresh every moment. It is not never oppressed in this way. You see, it only seems to be playing in this way. So this way, you're rid of it. No? You're rid of it. In the most direct way, you're rid of it. You see? Now, if you want to hold this, you're not fresh. If you want to stay like that, you're not fresh. You see? If you're going to Mr. Mind for advice saying, okay, this was good, now what do you feel? You see, then you're not fresh. You see? So just fresh. Exactly. You see? How do you let go of language? It's gone. It's gone. We were taught how to pick it up. So let go of that teaching of how to pick it up. And when you're empty, the truth of what you are is apparent to you. The truth of what you are is apparent. Then you don't need any practice. Is there something missing there? Are you confused about who you are? No. Instant freedom. Then one says, yes, letting go of thinking concepts gives automatically more presence of now aliveness. No, but automatic, more presence, now aliveness, also concepts. You say, I give up concepts, and there's more of something, but more is a concept. The judgment of less and more, good and bad, is conceptual. So don't fall into that trap. That is just the thief dressed up as the policeman pretending to catch the thief. So you let go. You of course had the prasad of more spaciousness, but the mind comes and says, that's more spaciousness. So that's why I say for some time, allow me to make the reports for you. You don't judge yourself, interpret yourself in any way. and especially don't get caught up in any more or less type thing.